this is Amy at Dormont Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make an origami monkey. Start out with a square piece of origami paper, or you can take a regular piece of paper, fold it into a triangle, and cut off the excess to make a square. But at any rate, you do need to start by folding it into a triangle and opening it. Then you're going to fold the long side here down to the center crease. And you're going to do the same with this side. Now you're going to take this edge and fold that to the center crease. And do again the same on this side. Now you're going to take this part, the bottom part, and you're going to fold it not quite to the top. You can see this side, the front is a little shorter than the back. Now you're going to take it again and fold most of it back down again. So now you have something that looks like this. Now the place where I found it said this is a very difficult fold, but what I found made it easier is what I want to do is narrow this triangle here. So I am going to fold the bottom part of this edge to the crease. But of course I can't go all the way up. So as I fold it as I go up, I'm going to put my finger in here and open up this part. And then I am going to flatten it so it lays flat. You can see there's a small triangle here. This is folded down and made tight, made narrower. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Starting at the bottom, I'm going to fold the edge to the center crease. And as it comes up, I'm stretching this I'm flattening this paper out. This, as I said, is called a squash fold. And using a hard surface to crease things down really does help. So now I have something that looks like this. What I want to do is take it and fold it in half. Now, I'm going to take this top layer and I'm going to crease down here, from here up. But instead of trying to fold it over, I'm folding this down. So you can see I creased this part. This is the way I had it. I creased here and I folded this down. Now I am going to take about 2/3 of this flap and I'm going to fold it up again. And then I'm going to lift up the flap and I'm going to fold this in side. So I have this like this. I'm going to lift this up and I'm going to take this part, the top part of this, fold it down, and now I have a smaller triangle sticking out from a base. I'm going to take this long thin part, I'm going to fold it up, and we have our monkey face. Now for the ears, see this edge? See the corner here? I'm going to put my thumb in, push down here, and give him some ears. So I'm going to put my thumb or finger in and push it and crease it, give it some ears. There you go. Now, I'm going to take this part, the bottom part here, and I'm going to fold it in and fold this in so he has a place to sit. Now for the tail, I have to open it up again, and I'm going to push down on the tail, and I'm going to push down at the base of the tail, and then I'm going to try to fold it back again as I smooth the outer part, and the tail is going to go inside out and stick up. Then I'm going to take it again. If you want it curved, this is done if you want it to be. But if you want a curved tail, you can take the top part, push it down, and flatten, and you give it a kink. Give the tail a little kink. You can do that again. Push it down and flatten, and now my monkey has a curved tail. And that is how you can create an origami monkey of your very own. Have a very good day.